guys, welcome back to Daily MC. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a faster, healthier version of a Starbucks iced mocha latte. This is literally the easiest way to make a latte, I think. And I've honestly been playing around with this recipe for about a month or two. I mean, ever since we've been in quarantine, I feel like I've had my Starbucks withdrawal. So I'm so excited to show you guys how you can make this easy, fast, healthy Starbucks mocha latte at home. Hey guys, so to start out, I always have 2 cups because I find that mixing in the same cup that you put your ice and milk into can get very complicated. So I used an instant coffee as my espresso kind of, and the instant coffee I'm using is from Trader Joe's. It's really good. They only have one type of instant coffee, but honestly can't complain. The big brown jar over there is some brown sugar, and then I use the cacao powder from Trader Joe's as well. And obviously we're going to need 1 tablespoon. So to begin, I take about a tablespoon of instant coffee. It's really up to you how, concentrated or light you like your coffee. I put in a tablespoon of coffee, but as you will see later, I keep the milk and stuff pretty low, so my coffee is still pretty concentrated. I don't like to make too much of it. So there's my instant coffee. And then I add about a tablespoon, but a little less than a tablespoon. I usually try to keep it the same as my the same amount of instant coffee I put in. So I put in about a tablespoon of brown sugar. Then I go ahead and I put in about half a teaspoon of the cacao powder. The cacao powder I use is pretty strong, and I've made the mistake of putting too much cacao powder because I love chocolate, but it just turns bitter. So half a teaspoon I find is the sweet spot for getting that dark chocolatey mocha latte vibe. So I have that, and then I put in milk. I fill up about half of the glass, or maybe 3/4. I use 2% milk, but honestly you can use any sort of milk you want, oat milk, almond milk. I made it with both, and I like it with honestly almond and oat milk, but what I had today was some 2% milk. Then I go ahead and stir it. I make sure I stir it very, very well. The cacao powder is kind of reluctant to mix, so you gotta go at it for like about 30 seconds. And then I just go ahead and I pop it into the microwave. I turn it on for 30 seconds. This, I find, just helps the coffee grinds get mixed in and everything just mixes better after this. The reason I don't put hot water before I put the milk is because it can actually burn your coffee grinds, and I've learned that is the easiest way to mess up coffee, by putting in hot water right into the coffee. And you get this nice little milky, like frothy texture at the top of your coffee, and that's how you know it's going to be very, very good. So then I go ahead and I mix it some more. Wow, look at that, it's so beautiful. That is just so satisfying to me. Alrighty, then I go ahead and I put in a couple cubes of ice. Oh, yep. So the first time I tried to pour the coffee in, I failed. Clearly you can see I wasted some precious coffee. But attempt number 2 went a lot better than expected. And it just looks so beautiful. I love the color of the coffee. When I can get it this color, I know it's going to be perfect. Then I add in my favorite reusable metal straw. And there you go. There you have it. The Starbucks iced mocha latte at home. And that brings us to the end of this video. Obviously, this is not the exact Starbucks recipe. I've never worked at Starbucks, so I don't really know, but I know they put in a lot of syrups and a lot more sugar, so this was my kind of rendition of the recipe, a little bit healthier, using things that we all probably have at home. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I hope you guys try this at home. And if you guys did like the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.